going to throw together a crock pot meal, and I don't know what this is gonna turn out like. I don't have a name for it. I'm just making it up as I go. So let's go ahead and get started on that. So first of all, I deboned 2 chicken breasts and I tenderized them, and I'm going to put them in the crock pot, which I have oiled. I like to tenderize my chicken in a Ziploc bag. It makes less mess and you don't have to worry about it splashing up on you, which is really gross. I found this Parmesan garlic wing sauce at the grocery store and I'm just dying to try it. So I thought that I would just pour this on top. I have no idea what this is gonna taste like. Now just for a little added moisture, I'm going to add let's just say 1 cup of chicken broth. I used half a bottle of this Parmesan wing sauce and about a cup of chicken broth. It really smells good. Now I'm going to take a piece of tinfoil and lay on top of that. I have 1 large baked potato that my husband and I will have, 2 small squash. Laid that on top, and that's it. We're gonna try this and we're gonna see what this tastes like. Wish me luck. I'll check on this when I get back from visiting my mom, but I'm going to turn this on low and hopefully it will cook for about 6 to 8 hours, but I'll check it when I get back. Okay, it's been 7 hours and we're gonna see how this turned out. Squash are done, and I'm going to cut those open and put a little garlic and maybe a little salt and pepper on them. Hot potato. So the potato's done, so my husband and I are going to have that. So that's my side dishes. And I'm gonna show you what the chicken looks like. This chicken is falling apart. Whew. And voila, that was super easy. Now I want to try this chicken. That was pretty good.